Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your avatar picture and also showcase the avatars that come on the PlayStation 5. So to change your avatar picture, you want to come up to the top here and click settings. On the settings page you want to come down to users and accounts and then come down to profile. On the profile you want avatar, and as you can see here we have all the avatars, 383 of them. And you can choose any one that you want on your profile, and we'll go through these slowly so you can see them all. You also may have seen that I have a custom image on my profile. If you want to know how to do that, you want to check out this video here. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.